In today's video, I am going to teach you how to connect Google AdSense to GoDaddy website. To begin, log into your GoDaddy account and head to your My Products page. This is where GoDaddy keeps all of your active services in one place, so it is the best starting point when you want to make changes to your website. Once you are on that page, scroll down until you find the Websites plus Marketing section. In that area, locate the website you want to connect to Google AdSense, then click Manage next to it. This will open the control area for that specific site. From there, click Edit Website to launch the Visual Website Editor. This is the workspace where you can adjust site content, design, and built-in settings. If the editor takes a moment to load, that is completely normal. When the editor opens, look over to the right-hand panel and click Settings. Inside the Settings menu, you will see different options related to your website configuration. Find and select Google AdSense from that list. This is the section that allows you to connect your site to your AdSense account so Google can recognize your website for ad serving. Next, paste your AdSense client ID into the box provided. Make sure you are entering the correct client ID from your Google AdSense account. It usually begins with a publisher label, but be careful to copy it accurately and avoid adding extra spaces before or after the text. A small mistake here can prevent the connection from working properly. After you paste in the client ID, click Done or Save, depending on what your GoDaddy editor shows. This confirms the setting inside the editor, but you are not finished quite yet. To make the integration live on your actual website, click Publish in the top right corner. This is an important final step because your changes will not appear on the live site until the website is published. After publishing, give the update a little time to process. In some cases, Google AdSense may take a short while to detect the site connection. If needed, you can revisit the settings later to confirm that your client ID was entered correctly. Once that is done, your GoDaddy website will be connected to Google AdSense. That covers everything you need to know.